Nowadays, smartphone is such an important gadget that everything is connected to it. When it comes to your phone security, you should know that if your phone is hacked or not. There are few things that you can look up and you will get to know that your phone is hacked or not. If your phone is hacked, then these are few things that you may notice or experience while using your smartphone. There are few steps by which you can prevent your phone to get hacked. Even if your phone is not hacked, there are few things that I will share in this video by which you can make sure that your phone will not get hacked in future and you will be secured. So I'm going to talk about some of the most important steps that you should be taking after your phone is hacked. It means that I'm going to talk about how to fix your phone once it is hacked. Let's talk about some of the signs and signals by which you will know that whether your phone is hacked or not. If your phone has a lot of pop-up ads and lot of ad while using anything that is free also, but your phone is getting a pop-up ad in between, it means there is a possibility of your phone is hacked. The second thing that you might notice is battery drain. While someone is transferring your data to any other place, it means that your phone is hacked and it is using some sort of battery to transfer data and to connect between a server or a computer. If there is an issue of automatic calls and message, it means that you're not intentionally calling anybody and messaging, texting anybody, but your phone does it for you itself. So it means that there is someone trying to do this. It can be also a very good sign. Also, unknown application starts automatically. Basically, your phone is not in your control. It is a kind of ghost like thing is that's happening in your phone. Your phone is starting automatically. Your apps that is in your phone is starting automatically. The chances are that your phone is hacked. Data consumption. To make a proper connection, your data will be turned on obviously and your data consumption will increase. It means that your phone is using data in the background and the chances are that your phone is obviously using it in the background to send something and to use something. So make sure to go to the data settings and see what are the apps that are using your data so much. So you will get a better idea of which app is running in background. If there is an app that is unknown, so better delete it. If there is no such app, that it means that your data is being used normally, and if everything is normal with your data consumption, it means that you're safe. Phone getting heated and phone is lagging. Overall your phone is looking like a overall crash crap. If your apps that you open always crashes, it is also a chances that something is in your phone and it's time to look after. And also it is highly recommendable that you don't root your smartphone. If you root your smartphone, the root folder is open, and when any malicious app or any sort of virus enters in that root folder, it is way more difficult to remove it from there, and in that case you will need to flash again a ROM, and it is kind of complicated thing for normal users. So it is highly recommendable, do not root your device. So if you have already rooted your device, it is recommended to unroot it. And if you are planning to root your device, so I don't recommend that, because if any sort of apps or any sort of malicious adware is entered in your root folder, then the chances are it is getting connected to the OS and it is way harder to remove it. Now let's talk about some of the precautions that you should take so that your phone does not get hacked. Obviously it is said that you should not connect your USB, or you can say your charger, your phone, in any USB port available. It means that you're going to a station anywhere in the public place, there is a USB port to charge your phone. It is not that sure that what is behind that USB port. It can be a computer, it can be a server. So it is highly recommendable to not to connect anywhere in other USB ports. So you should always charge your phone with the power bank. Don't connect to unknown Wi-Fi hotspot or anything. Any Wi-Fi that is free, it doesn't mean that it is secure. So it is important that you don't connect your Wi-Fi with the unknown Wi-Fi sources. So it is important that you should make sure that the Wi-Fi that you're connected is secure. If you have connected to a Wi-Fi signal or Wi-Fi connection that is not secured, it means that your data, the chances of your data getting leaked is more higher. What you can do is, if you are outside and you're using unknown Wi-Fi's and you're using the open Wi-Fi, the free Wi-Fi, it is highly recommendable to you to use a secured and high quality good VPN. And if you're using a good VPN, then the chances are the browsing, the whatever things that you're doing connecting that Wi-Fi, it won't be seen to anybody else, so nobody can interfere in between and see all those things that you're doing. So it is important to connect with a good VPN while using any free Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi outside. It is not that secure to use it like that, so use a good quality VPN, a good VPN. don't click on unknown links. Anybody can see those offers and anything. Basically what they are is a scam. So what they do is they send you a link that you just have to click this, fill your details, and boom, and you will be getting a new iPhone, this, that, anything, any offer that is sent in your phone, that your account is credited by this much money. So it's kind of fake scam offer, and I think you are a smart user that you know that. So you should also not download the app from unknown sources. Google Play Store and the App Store is the best way to download the applications that you want, the games that you want. So it is not recommendable to download any app from unknown sources, but sometimes it happens that you have to download any external apps. So make sure that app is secured. You don't download any unsecure and very risky app. You should not download that. So now, what is the solution if your phone is hacked? If you see any of the above symptoms in your phone, that means it might be hacked. So what you can do now is simply restart your phone. Factor reset. I'm talking about factor reset. I'm not talking about the reboot, I'm talking about factor reset. So you should delete and clear every single data in your smartphone and use your smartphone as a new device. And this is the only method by which you can clear everything in your phone and make your phone new, and like start using them by following all the precautions that I've said in this video. So these were few things that you can check in your phone if it is hacked or not. You can like check these steps that I have shared. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more such tech videos.